Hello, Saram everyone. Today we are going to start theorem 6.6 of class 10 NCERT. This theorem 6.6 states that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, so two similar triangle is already given in the statement itself, is equal to the square of the ratio. Now this is an important one. It's given what? Here, square of the ratio of the corresponding side. So first of all, it's given the ratio of what? Areas of two similar triangle is equal to, we have to prove that, square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Now let me explain with diagram. So first of all, we write given two triangles, say triangle ABC and triangle PQR, such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given. Let's draw this diagram. This is A, B, C. This is P, Q and R. These are the two similar triangles given in the question statement itself. These two triangles are similar. Now, what we are going to prove? Let's read the statement again. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. So, areas of these two triangles, symbolically, this is what? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to what? Is equals to square of the ratio of the corresponding side. Now AB corresponds to PQ. AB corresponds to what? PQ. Now this is not only ratio of the corresponding side, square of the corresponding side. Square means whole square. BC corresponds to QR. BC corresponds to QR, and last AC corresponds to what? PR. AC corresponds to PR whole square. So this is what statement we have to prove. Ratio of the areas equals to square of the corresponding side. Square of the ratio of the corresponding side. This is equal. This we are going to prove in theorem 6.6. Let's start with the proof. Before starting the proof, we know that two conditions. If two triangles are similar, definitely the corresponding angles are equal. This angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, because the triangles are similar. Now the corresponding ratio of the corresponding side is also equal. That is what? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to what? AC upon PR. We can write these ratios are equal only because triangles are similar. So this condition also we are going to use while proving this statement. Now to find areas of any triangle, we should have what? Either height or base, to use half base into altitude. Here base is there, three bases are there, but we don't have any altitude. So we are going to draw that. So write on the same part here. To find areas of triangles, draw altitudes. Two altitudes we are going to draw. Let's give name AM and PM. This is 90 degree only because it's an altitude. Now to find areas of triangle, draw altitudes AM and PM of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now already we got altitude, BC is base, QR is base. It is possible to write the formula for area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle is how much? It's half base into height. So this is equals to what? It's half. What is the base? Base is what? BC, and height is what? AM. So this is what? Area of triangle ABC. Now similarly, area of triangle PQR. What is the base? QR is the base and PN is the altitude. So we're going to write here area of triangle PQR equals to half base. We're going to take what? It's QR, and altitude is what? PN. So these are the two areas which I want here. So let's take out the ratio. So if I take out the ratio, now if I take out the ratio from this, I can write area of ABC upon area of PQR. Replace the formula here again. It's half here. BC into AM, BC into AM. This is what QR into PN. So can we cancel anything here? Yeah, definitely. Half get cancelled. So what is the remaining part here? It's BC into AM, QR into PN. Say this is what? Equation ABC upon PQR. So up to this is the first part of theorem. Now to prove the next part, means to continue this next part, what we are going to do? We are going to prove this triangle and this triangle. We are going to prove that as a similar. Now in triangle, which triangle is this? ABM and triangle PQN. We can say that angle B is equals to angle Q because both the triangles are what? Similar. Both the triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So first reason we are going to use angle B is equals to angle Q. Reason, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, or we can write given. Now one more angle. I can say that angle AMB and angle PNQ both are of 90 degree because AM and PN are altitude. If these two are altitude, M and N are what? 90 degree. So we can write here angle M is equals to angle N. Reason will be what? They are of 90 degree each. Two angles are equal. So from this I can say that triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. By which reason or criteria? This is angle. By angle criteria, the two triangles are similar. So I can say that triangle ABM and PQN are similar triangle. So let me repeat out up to this part. You just remember this part of this to prove that area ABC upon PQR equals to what? The ratio of the corresponding square of the ratio of corresponding side. So just now what we proved, ABM is similar to PQN. So from this I can say that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal for these two triangles as from this. Therefore we can write if these two smaller triangles are similar, I can say that AB upon PQ is equal to what? AM upon PN. Say this is what? Equation 2. पहला इक्वेशन क्या था? BC upon QR into AM upon PM was the first equation. Now this is what? Second equation. Now here we completed what? Second part of the theorem. This was the first part of the theorem till here. Okay. When I got the ratio, then I proved this two smaller triangles similar. Now the third part. Now third part we are going to write from the given. Also, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If this whole triangle and this triangle both are similar, we can write that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. Say this is what? Equation 3. This is what? Equation 3. This is 2 and this is what? 1. Now we have to combine all this, first, second and third, one by one. Now if you just look at here, this AB upon PQ is what? AM upon PN. And this same AB upon PQ is what? BC upon QR. Now from this 1. From 1, let me write down this. Area of ABC upon area of PQR. Now I know that this BC upon QR is what? BC upon AB, this BC upon QR is equals to AB upon PQ. So instead of this BC upon QR, I'm going to write what? Let me write down the whole thing again so that you will better understand. BC upon into AM, QR into PN. Now both the values I am going to replace. This is from 1. Now BC upon QR equals to what? This BC upon QR equals to what? AB upon PQ. Keep this AM into PN as it is. So I can say right here from 3 BC upon QR is what? AB upon PQ. Now from 2 AM upon PN is what? This AM upon PN is what? AB upon PQ. Now keep this AB upon PQ as it is. Instead of AM upon PN, I am going to write what? AB upon PQ. Reason will be what? From 2. So from 2 I can write this. AB into AB, it's what? AB square. PQ into PQ is what? PQ square. So I can write this is equals to what? AB upon PQ whole square. This is what? Area of ABC upon area of PQR. I got AB upon PQ whole square. Both are equal. This one and this one are equal already. Now, already know that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. अगर AB और PQ, if AB upon PQ का the square of this ratio, if I do the square of all these three ratio, they will remain same. मुझे यहाँ पे क्या मिला? AB upon PQ का square, and this already they are all are equal. So if I square them, the ratio will remain same. Just for example, if I write 1 by 2, and if I write 1 by 2, if I square, then they will remain same only. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So from this 3, we can write from the 3 we can write, you have to write just the statement which you want to prove. ABC upon area of PQR. Already what we proved already here, AB upon PQ whole square we proved. So if we prove this one is equal, then definitely BC and AC, BC upon QR and AC upon PR is also equal. BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR square. So this is the way we can prove theorem 6.6. Here 3 steps you have to remember. First we have to take out the ratios of areas of two triangle. पहला में दोनों triangle का area का ratio find out करना, so that we'll get this equation here, BC into AM QR upon PN. Then second step what we have to do, we have to prove this smaller triangle, both this smaller triangle similar. So we prove that ABM and PQN by angle criteria, we prove this both the triangle similar. Once we prove this two triangles similar, we'll get one more ratio, AB upon PQ equals to AM upon PN. That's what we got here. Then the third part we have to write from where given में से लिखना है, as already ABC and PQR are similar triangle, we know this ratio. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AC upon PR. And then we need to combine all this ratio, this formula, then we replace this BC upon QR. BC upon QR को किससे replace किया हमने? AB upon PQ. और ये AM upon PN को किससे replace किया? AM upon PN equals what? AB upon PQ. अब मुझे स्क्वायर करना था तो दोनों का वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए, तभी वो AB into AB होगा. So I replace both the value from here and here. So they become same. AB into AB is AB square. PQ into PQ is what? PQ square. अगर एक का स्क्वायर इक्वल है, then definitely square of other two corresponding side is also equal. So this is the way we can prove theorem 6.6.